boys and girls. I hope you are fine. Today we will continue our English course. Today we are going to talk about vegetables. I hope you are fond of vegetables. Vegetables can help you to feel healthy. Look at these pictures. Pictures describe vegetables. Listen to me and try to repeat the pronunciation of these words. These words are written in plural. In plural because not one, but many. Potatoes, but 3 potatoes. Tomato, 5 tomatoes. A cucumber, 2 cucumbers. A carrot, 4 carrots. A bean, many beans. A cabbage, 2 cabbages. An onion, 3 onions. A pepper, 3 peppers. Boys and girls, open your exercise books and write the missing letter. And then we will check. Carrot, potato, tomato, cabbage, pepper, onion, cucumber, bean. Repeat after me in plural. Carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, cabbages, peppers, onions, cucumbers, beans. Please write the vegetables in an alphabetical order. For example, bean, cabbage, carrot, yes, you're right, cucumber, onion, pepper, potato, tomato. Please, boys and girls, try to answer these questions. What vegetables are usually red, green, yellow, orange, brown? What vegetables do you like and what vegetables do you dislike? What vegetable have you got at home? What vegetables are grown in your village, in your kitchen, in your garden, in your city? Now, let's check your answers. Peppers and tomatoes are red. I think you know it. Cucumber and cabbage are green. Onions and potatoes are brown. What do you like and what do you dislike? I like tomatoes and cucumbers. I like to cook salad with these vegetables, and they are good for our health. But I dislike an onion. Let's repeat all words which describe vegetables again. Listen to me very attentively and repeat after me. First we will pronounce in plural, then in singular. Plural when we have a lot of potatoes. Plural when we have only 1 potato. A potato, a tomato, a cucumber, a carrot, a bean, a cabbage, an onion, a pepper. Now your task is to answer the questions. What is this and what are these? What is this we use when we have one vegetable? What are these? You should use plural when we have not one, but 2, 3, many vegetables. What are these? These are potatoes. These are tomatoes. This is a cabbage. These are carrots. These are onions. These are beans. These are cucumbers. These are peppers. Unscramble words. It means to put letters in order in one word. For example, T-A-T-O-P-O-S-E means potatoes. Tomatoes, cabbage, beans, cucumber, onions, peppers. Look at the dialogue and try to guess what Akil has in his pocket. What is it? It's long and thin. What color is it? It's orange. Is it a fruit? No, it isn't. It is a vegetable. Put the words in order. It's the conversation, it's the dialogue between Akil and Akilai. The questions and the answers are written not right. Your task is to write right. Be attentive, open your exercise books, and try to write them. You are given some minutes, and we will check. What is it? It's long and thin. Is it a carrot? No, it isn't. Is it a vegetable? What color is it? It's fruit. It's yellow. Is it a banana? Yes, it is. Now, today we will talk about the structure there is and there are. There is, for example, there is a potato on the table. We talk about one potato. There are 3 potatoes on the table. We talk about 3 potatoes. Did you understand? I think you understood. There is singular, there are plural. Example, there is a boy in the classroom. There is only one thing in my bag. There is a book on the table. There is an apple in the kitchen. There is a car near my house. There is a woman outside. So here we describe only one thing, one boy, one book, one fruit, one car, one woman. There are 2 oranges in my bag. There are 3 people in the room. There are 5 glasses on the table. There are 6 women in my yard. There are 4 girls in the garden. Here we use not there is, but there are, because we describe 2 or more things, 2 or more people. Your task is to choose there is or there are. For example, there is a black cat in the room. There are 2 pencils in my school bag. I give you 1 minute to think. Then we will check. Let's check. There is a black cat in the room. There are 2 pencils in my school bag. There are apples in the box. There is a duck in the lake. There are some children in the house. There are 3 birds in the garden. There are many students at school. There is a mouse under the tree. Let's describe Mike's classroom. Look at the picture. For example, there are 3 windows in my classroom, but we can't see this classroom, these windows. There are 10 desks in my classroom. There is 1 computer in my classroom. There is 1 blackboard in my classroom. Boys and girls, what have you learned today? Do you remember? Yes, I feel that some boys and girls in front of TV screen try to prompt me. What we have done today? We have learned new words with the help of which we can describe vegetables. You learned how to ask the questions, to answer the questions using these words in singular and plural. You learned how to use these words using the structures there is, there are. There is used when we talk about one thing, one person. There are we use when we talk about many things, many people. Today's homework is to learn new words about vegetables, to write 5 sentences about what there is or what there are in your house. For example, my house is big. There are 5 rooms. There is 1 kitchen. I like my room. It is big. There is 1 bed and 1 computer in my house. So I hope your teachers will help you to do your homework. If you don't understand, if you didn't understand me today very well. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.